The step-by-step system to grow fast on YouTube in 90 days. Let me be straight with you. Most YouTube channels don't fail because the creator isn't talented. They fail because there's no system. They post when they feel inspired. They disappear when life gets busy. They chase random ideas. And then they wonder why nothing compounds. If you want real growth in 90 days, you need structure. Not motivation, not hacks, structure. This is the exact step-by-step system I give a client who want measurable growth fast. Step 1, week 1, I want y'all to lock in. Before you touch strategy, you handle commitment. Here's what most creators underestimate. The real enemy isn't the algorithm, it's inconsistency. So week 1 is simple but powerful. You make a public commitment. Post it, say it, write it somewhere visible. I'm committing to 90 days of focused YouTube growth. When you keep it private, quitting is easy. But other people know, backing out feels uncomfortable. That discomfort, that leverage, you're not relying on motivation anymore. You're building accountability. Step 2, train your eye. This week 2. Before you improve your channel, you have to improve your taste. Most creators watch YouTube like viewers. You need to watch like a strategist. Instead of, that was good, ask, why did I click? Why didn't I click? Why am I still watching? Where did my attention drop? What made that thumbnail impossible to ignore? Study at least 30 videos this week. Not in your niche. Pull ideas from everywhere. A cooking channel might learn pacing from gaming. A business creator might learn storytelling from documentaries. Start building what I call a swipe vault. Hooks that pulled you in, titles that created curiosity, thumbnails that pop, structures that keep tension. Start saving all these when you come across things like this. You're not copying, you're learning patterns. Growth starts with pattern recognition. And step 3, you're going to build your channel formula. This is where your channel stops being random. Up until now, you've been studying and observing. Now we design your operating system. Here's the truth most creators miss. If you don't define your formula, the algorithm defines it for you. Let me say that again. If you don't define your formula, the algorithm defines it for you. And when that happens, you start chasing trends instead of building identity. Every fast-growing channel, even the ones that look effortless, runs on a repeatable structure. It may be obvious on the surface, but underneath their consistency. This week, you're building that consistency on purpose. We're going to define 5 core pillars. Number 1, who you're actually talking to. Everyone is not a strategy. You need a clear mental picture of your viewer, not just age, range, gender, and location, but what are they struggling with? What are they trying to improve? What frustrates them? What kind of content do they already binge? For example, people who want to make money online is vague, but a 25-year-old who feels stuck in a 9-to-5 who wants a realistic path to build an income online without scams, that's someone. When you know who you're talking to, the decisions get easier, titles get sharper, hooks get more direct, examples become relatable. You stop speaking into the void and start speaking to one person. That shift alone can dramatically improve retention. Number 2, what they walk away with. Every video must deliver something. If someone finishes your content and nothing changed, they won't come back. Ask yourself this. After watching this, what does my viewer gain? It could be a clear action step, a mindset shift, a practical skill, a new perspective, even just a strong emotional experience. Be intentional about this. If you're teaching YouTube growth, maybe they leave with one actionable tweak I can apply today. If you're doing commentary, maybe they lead with a clear understanding of what's really happening. If you're doing entertainment, maybe they leave thinking, that was worth my time. Value isn't optional. It's the reason your channel grows. No value equals no loyalty. Number 3, how you deliver it. This is your format. A format matters more than most people think. Are you breaking things down step by step? Are you telling stories? Are you reacting to trends? Are you running experiments? Are you documenting your journey? Are you doing deep analytical breakdowns? Pick formats that align with your natural strengths. If you're strong at explaining concept clearly, lean into structured tutorials. If you're charismatic and quick on your feet, commentary may be your lane. If you're reflective and insightful, long-form breakdown might fit. The goal isn't to copy what's popular. The goal is to build a delivery system style you can sustain without burning out. Because if your format exhausts you, you won't last 90 days, let alone a year. Number 4, the emotional experience. This is where most creators get lazy. They focus on information but ignoring feelings. But here's what's real. People don't just subscribe for knowledge. They subscribe for atmosphere. Ask yourself, what does my content feel like? Is it calm and reassuring? Is it fast-paced and energetic? Is it direct and no nonsense? Is it deep and analytical? Is it funny and chaotic? When someone clicks your video, they're stepping into an environment, and that environment should be consistent. Think about your favorite creator. Even if the topic changes, the vibe rarely does. That emotional consistency builds familiarity. Familiarity builds trust. Trust builds return viewers. Number 5, your competitive edge. Now the uncomfortable question. Why should someone watch you instead of someone bigger? If you can't answer that, growth becomes slow. Your edge usually lives in one of these areas: a unique life experience, a specific niche focus, a stronger point of view, a clear teaching style, a sharper personality, access others don't have, a willingness to say what others won't. It doesn't have to be dramatic. Sometimes your edge is simply, I explain complex things in plain English, or I show my real results, not theory, or I document my journey honestly, including the failures. Your edge is what makes your version different, not just another upload on a crowded category. Turning this into your formula. Now combine the 5 pillars: clear audience, defined outcome, chosen format, consistent emotional tone, and a distinct edge. That combination becomes your channel formula. For example, I create tactical breakdown videos for small creators who feel stuck, delivered in a direct, no fluff style using real experiment and honest data. That's a formula. And once you have that, everything changes. Ideas get easier, branding gets clear, your thumbnails become more focused, your messaging sharpens, your confidence increases because you're no longer guessing. Important. This formula does not need to be perfect. It needs to be intentional. You will refine it over the next several weeks through testing and reflection. But without a starting blueprint, you're just throwing darts in the dark. Week 3 is about turning random content into a structured system. And once your system is clear, growth becomes predictable instead of accidental. Have a good day.